Okay, you're all signed up for the UPS Forwarding Hub. Good job. Now, if you have an existing UPS Global Freight Forwarding account, it's easy to link that account number to your UPS Forwarding Hub dashboard. This will let you access any negotiated rates and streamline your transactions, so definitely worth doing. Linking your account is simple. First, make sure you're logged in to the UPS Forwarding Hub. Then go to the My Account button and click Profile from the drop-down menu. Now, click the Link an Account button. Click the Global Freight Forwarding tab. You'll need to type in your existing UPS Global Freight Forwarding account number. Remember, this is your 9-digit freight forwarding account number, not your UPS small package account number. You can find it on any recent invoice. If you don't have a UPS Global Freight Forwarding account yet, it's easy to set one up. Sit tight, and we'll get back to you later in this video. Now, click Search. Once the correct account has been identified, click Continue. And we're almost done. Just answer the 2 verification questions regarding the street address and the city associated with the account. Then click Continue. Boom! Your existing freight forwarding account is now linked to the UPS Forwarding Hub, and you're ready to start enjoying all the features of this dynamic new shipping platform. If you don't already have a UPS Global Freight Forwarding account number, you can set one up right from the hub. From the Link a Global Freight Forwarding account page, click the No button. Then fill in your company information and click Continue. Add your contact name, phone number, and email, then click Finish. And just a reminder, if at any time you need to review something you've done previously, simply hit the Back button. Should you need additional help for any reason, just click the Support button. Within 2 business days, you'll receive an email confirming your account. In the meantime, you're good to go. You can start using the UPS Forwarding Hub immediately for quoting, shipping, tracking, and more. To learn how to get an air freight quote, check out tutorial number 3, Create a Quote.